Okay, so I'm going to take you through my three-step process in creating a life-giving weekly workflow. These are things that I actually do every single week as I'm preparing to set my intention for the week and keep my task list or to-do list manageable. And I actually move my projects and my goals and my business forward every single week. So let's start with my first step. The first thing I want you to do, if you haven't done this already, put this on paper. Identify your weekly administrative tasks. These are the things that you do week in and week out, the non-negotiables. Probably not the most exciting part of your business and in your creativity, but these are things that you actually have to do to keep your business afloat. Okay, so these can be things like managing your social media platforms, a weekly blog, a weekly YouTube video, a podcast. This could be your accounting reports. This could be team meetings. For me, it's coaching sessions, discovery calls, things that happen all the time, week after week. So I identify what those are and I write them down. And I know that these are things that already are committing or taking a time commitment from me. And once I identify that, I know that I can't move these things around. These are kind of hard tasks that I can't negotiate myself out of. So identify that for yourself. If you haven't done it, go ahead and write them down and kind of get an idea of how much time it takes you to actually accomplish these things on a weekly basis. You know, you're going to get a rhythm around it, especially once you get them out of your head and onto paper. You're going to know, okay, it usually takes me about 5 hours a week to get these things done or whatever it is. So just kind of make a mental note on how, or you can even next to each task in parentheses, put the amount of time that it takes to get those things done on a weekly basis, just so you can kind of have an idea of what it actually takes to just keep your business going. Okay, so that is step one. Do that before you move on to step two. Okay.